Sup, bro chachos? Now, as many of you know who have been watching, I can't stand this red dashboard, and I'm also not a big fan of the NA dashboards with the airbags in them. My dream Miata has always been an NA white, black interior with red bride seats. So we're gonna have to replace this red carpet with some black carpet. We're gonna have to replace a lot of this red trim with black trim, but we're also gonna have to replace this dash with the dash that doesn't have the airbag in it and in black. So we are headed to Ben's Auto Parts in Lecanto, Florida. I think it's called Ben's Auto Parts. Sorry, Ben's Used Miata Parts, which he's on Instagram for any of you who need Miata parts. So we're headed over to him now. The family and I are gonna make it a day date out there as well. So let's head on over to Ben's and get this dashboard, amigos, like we like to say in Hispanic. So I just got here to Ben's place, and it is crazy the amount of Miata parts that are in this place. Highly recommend that if you guys are interested in rebuilding a Miata, restoring a Miata, or you just have a bunch of crappy broken parts and you're looking to bring your Miata back to life, check him out. I'll include links to his website in the description box below. But I found the dash and it was definitely worth taking the drive over here for. Let me go ahead and show it to you. So as you guys can see, no cracks. Looks really, really good. And even on the inside, I know there's like a little bit of surface rust, but this is nothing in comparison to what you'd find on these things. And then, yeah, just overall, the condition of it just super solid, and it's reasonably priced. So now we're gonna head back to the Bertini garage and start working on getting out the old stuff and then getting this new one in. Let's head back on over.
A few moments later.
Well, on the way back to the Bertini garage, we got hungry, so we stopped over here in Brooksville, Florida, which is pretty dope. We're heading to the spot that I think we've eaten at before. It's called the Beastro, and we're gonna grab a bite to eat. So we definitely did not eat at that place before, and we weren't really feeling the food. But hopefully we're gonna save it now by going to have some crepes. I'm sure you guys know what I'm trying to say. The French pancake looking things that are really thin. All right, well, crepe place is closed. Well, that sucks.
I'm so sorry.
We just got back to the house, got back to the garage. Now, I'm gonna have to clean this thing up and restore it. Something I did order new is actually it's not the glove box. I did get a glove box. I got the hood new, and I got the tombstone thing that goes over here, what they call the tombstone. I got that brand new too. And the other thing I need to do is I need to take out these rivets and replace this with my VIN that's on my current dashboard. All right, now we need to remove the VIN that's on this thing. And for that, we have this rivet tool here. I bought this kit on Amazon, and I've used it a bunch, and it works out great. That's one, super easy. And I don't want to apply too much pressure because I don't want to crack the dash. There we go. Alrighty then, so the dash is completely disassembled now. We have our air ducts here, which we're gonna clean up and make all nice again because as you can see, they look caca-y poo-poo right now. And then we're gonna de-rust this and get this painted, make this look nice again. Even though, of course, I'm the only one who's seeing it, but I don't care. Because if you're gonna do things, do them the right way. Now, this is VHT roll bar and chassis paint. I've been using this stuff for years, and this is what I'm gonna use to paint the bar that holds in the dash. And you guys have probably seen this on the channel for years and years and years and years, but I use this stuff for everything. And this is made by Solution Finish. It's the black trim restorer, brings black to back, peoples. And this stuff we're gonna use to bring that back to black. So let's do it. And we are back in business. What I've done is clean up the AC ducts, completely took those apart, soaped them all out, hosed them down, made them look brand new again on the inside and on the outside. I de-rusted that piece, got all the rust off of it, and then I painted it black. And then I restored the finish on the dash as well. This thing looks like a brand new dash, like legit brand new. That back to black stuff from Solution Finish, that stuff is the real deal. Like I said, I've been using it forever and it really works. This dash looks brand freaking new. And we'll save this part for another video because we need the VIN number off of our Miata and then we'll rivet it on here. So hopefully you decide to stay tuned in and follow this build series on the Miata. This thing is going to be absolutely insane once we're done with it. We got some red seatbelts in, skunk 2 intake manifold, a bunch of radium parts, turbo smart goodies, a lot of stuff. If you found this video useful, entertaining, or just downright dumb, hit the like button, bro chachos. It really doesn't help us out. Most importantly, above all, make sure you're putting out good energy into the world and you're paying it forward, amigos. I'll check you out later. Bye now.